So we're here at V&G Auto Mechanic Repairs, and we've got a test vehicle of a Hilux. Right now we're gonna warm up the engine so we can do our first vibration test. This is the car owner, Van. Hello, Van.
Hello.
Hello. This Hilux has got 297,467 kilometers on it. Now we're just waiting for the engine to warm up and we can do our first test. Connection there?
Yeah.
The first sound test. Okay.
Try it. Okay. So empty.
Okay. After applying Super Nano, we immediately start the engine. So the time is 1:45 and I'll give it around 10 to 15 minutes. The time is 1:57 and we're ready to do our final second testing.
这样，你的电话给我，把我的司机电话打一个。真的啊？
The time is 2:01 and we're going to do another test now. Second test.
好吧。啊！啊，不知道了呀。
Can you take the location as well?
这我也不知道。现在2点。行吧？
哇，这vibration
好，那不急的，我反正在那里去等。
Alright, done. So we're with Van.
Yep.
We're just gonna go for a quick run after Super Nano. Có冇啲滑啲嘅感覺？ 哇！你自己睇研究下。
係滑咗啲啫。
係啊。
係真係滑咗啲。係滑咗啲，呢個係無可否認係滑咗啲。係。但係你話力水
要真係要就試下咯。
力水可能要揸耐啲先知道，係滑咗啲，係滑咗啲嘅。嗯。係滑咗啲。係依個係滑咗啲。同
埋你俾油嗰陣時咧，佢會唔會有少少？
係啊，滑咗。
靈活咗咯。
係啊，滑咗咧，靈活咗咯。啊。係啊。12嗰陣就行接長途就知道㗎啦。
好啊，好啊。
行就去死料。
即係俾幾個月佢係嘛？
俾2個月到啦。OK。我翻嚟嗰陣時候，我一行接長途，我知道㗎，聽點啊。
好 ，thank you 你 friend。
幾多錢啊？爭你嗰支啊？
好，唔使，test 嚟㗎呢個，唔該晒 ，thank you。
試下。